Yo, what's up, everyone? So, you've just scored some cash on Cash App, huh? Nice. But now you're probably wondering, how do I actually get my hands on this money? I mean, it's great to see those numbers going up, but let's be real, cash is king, right? Well, don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, we're diving deep into all the ways you can deposit that sweet Cash App cash. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why you might want to deposit your Cash App money in the first place. Maybe you need it for rent, bills, or that epic shopping spree you've been planning. Or maybe you just prefer having physical cash on hand. Whatever your reason, we're here to help you figure out the best method for you. Alright, let's get down to business. The most common way to deposit Cash App money is by transferring it to your bank account. It's pretty straightforward, but there are a few things you need to know. First, you'll need to link your bank account to your Cash App. Once that's done, you can initiate a transfer. Now, there are usually two options, instant transfer and standard transfer. The instant transfer is quicker but comes with a fee, while the standard transfer is free but takes a few business days. But what if you need cash right now? Well, Cash App has you covered there too. You can actually use your Cash App card to withdraw money from ATMs. Yeah, you heard that right. It's like having a regular debit card, but it's linked to your Cash App balance. Just keep in mind that there might be ATM fees involved, so it's always a good idea to check with your bank first. Another option is to use Cash App to buy things directly. Many stores and restaurants accept Cash App as a payment method. So, if you're out and about, you can simply use your Cash App card to pay for your purchases. It's convenient and easy. Now, here's a tip. Always keep an eye on your Cash App balance. Make sure you know how much money is available to you before you try to deposit or spend it. And, of course, be mindful of any fees that might apply. So, there you have it. Those are the main ways to deposit money from Cash App. Whether you need cash immediately or are happy to wait a few days, there's a method that will work for you. Remember, everyone's financial situation is different, so it's important to choose the method that best suits your needs. And hey, if you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Cash App's customer support. They're there to help. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep that cash flowing.